Your ancestors are not tyrants. It's not as if they are forcing veneration. Ndị ani, ndị ichie and ụmụọkpụ, male and female ancestors, are custodians of order. Nsọ ani, aja ani. Okenye adị anọ n'ụlọ, ewu amụọ n'ọgbụlị. This is their job. They prevent and correct imbalance. Afu ekwulu ogbu okenye, because any okenye who is at home and the pregnant goat is allowed to birth tethered, basically an abomination happens and the goat dies during pregnancy. See how deep our stuff is. Even the goat dying during pregnancy is a serious abomination. And any okenye who's at home when that happens, is an okenye aluluani, and will have ndiani, will have ajani to answer to. Neglecting their role, the role of ndichie, their advice and guidance, is a recipe for problem, friction, misalignment, right? A lot they maybe go na ani Igbo anyị because people en masse bow away their ancestor. But just like wire, the good thing is realignment restores flow. So kunya your ancestors n'ọkụ, kunya ndị ichie gị n'ọkụ ka akwụnye gị n'ọkụ. Igbo More 101, the first edition run, is still available. 100 copies remaining. So grab your copy. DM 101 to reserve your own copy. Cheers.